Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And when the Realme logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. So here you can see. Here we have language selection. Now here select language, volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now here select language and you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device and power off is available. You can also use the tap feature, tap on format. And here you can see, please enter verification code 9873. So enter it 9873. So you can see on bottom, all user data will be reset, format data. So now tap on format data. So wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So here you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is a method to hard reset Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.